friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super fun, a colorful house. Are you ready? Let's start! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, take your black marker. Let's draw a big triangle on the top. This will be the roof. Now, just below that, draw another smaller roof. Nice and neat! Next, let's draw the walls under the roof. Straight lines down and across the bottom. Great job! Now let's add 3 pillars in the front. 1, 2, 3. Wow, looking good! At the bottom, let's draw some stairs and a base for the house. Step by step, just like this.
La da 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 dee.
Every house needs windows. Let's draw some squares and rectangles for the windows.
La da 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 dee.
Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp with the marker to make it pop. Looking awesome, isn't it? Yay! Now it's time to color. Let's use rainbow colors today. Ready? Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Cream color.
La da 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 dee.
Wow, our house is looking so bright and beautiful. Awesome work, my little artists. You did amazing today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawings. See you next time. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.